Hello everyone, welcome back. In When People Messed with the Wrong Cops, you'll see how ordinary encounters spiral fast when poor decisions collide with firm law enforcement. These dashcam moments reveal instant karma, hard lessons, and why resisting authority never ends well.
Hello.
What's up?
What's the rush?
What started as a simple speeding violation quickly turned into a tense roadside confrontation. She did not have a valid driver's license, repeatedly argued, refused to follow instructions, and declined to sign the citation despite multiple explanations. When her lack of cooperation crossed the line, officers were forced to restrain and arrest her. She learned a costly lesson from her actions.
Because we're going to take care of paperwork back here. Paperwork I'm about to provide you back here. Because I'm giving you an order to. So again, your signature is as it appears on your driver's license. This is not admission of guilt. This is simply an acknowledgement that you're aware you're going to receive a court date in the mail.
Do you want to see my actual signature?
All right, go ahead and turn around, please. Hand it back for me.
She drove into a restricted lane but continuously argued, refused to provide identification, and ignored lawful commands despite repeated requests from the officer. She even lied about being pregnant to resist, causing the situation to spiral out of control. Police were forced to restrain and arrest her. This unfortunate ending shows how just a few minutes of non-cooperation can turn a simple traffic violation into a serious arrest.
Sheriff's office just to let you know my body things on. So the reason we pulled you over is because your license...
A traffic stop due to a suspended license and invalid paperwork quickly descended into chaos. Despite officers repeatedly explaining that the system still showed her license as invalid and that the vehicle had to be towed, the woman cried, argued, escalated to verbal abuse, and refused to exit the vehicle. When all attempts at de-escalation failed, her open resistance pushed the situation past the final line. She would learn a hard lesson for herself.
DMV is still saying it's suspended.
Why they didn't communicate or they don't have it on there, that's not my fault.
Get out of the
What am I being arrested for?
All right.
Get the f*** off, motherfucker!
Get out of the vehicle.
What am I being arrested for? Get out! Stop it! Get the f*** out!
Stop that! You're on arrest. Get out of the vehicle.
Oh, motherfucker! No, you f***ing devil! Get out! I wasn't gonna get in the fucking car. I just got out of court.
What's going on? Officer Boyle, police department. The reason I stopped you, man, is for your tinted windows. Your tinted windows.
When asked to step out of the vehicle for failing to provide proper documentation, the man slapped a police officer, making the situation far more serious. Although he attempted to flee, he could not escape the law. Assaulting an officer only made everything worse.
Hands up. Keep them hands right there, man. Keep them right there.
That's right here. Ground. As soon as you jump down, you better hit the ground. Come on, hurry up, bro. Get on the ground.
Yep, face down.
Please, sir. Kid, I was spit for my life. That's what I heard.
Oh, wait, you know what?
Do me a favor, man. Will you sit in? Here, sit.
And he told me to suck his when I'm working graveyard. Stop.
She smashed her neighbor's windshield and continued to behave erratically. When police arrived, the woman, identified as Rebecca, spoke incoherently, appeared disoriented, and refused to cooperate. The situation escalated further when she spit on an officer. That act resulted in her immediate restraint and arrest.
Hey,
Come on. Stop.
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 Oh,
Smart back. Smart back. She's a muscle. Cause I'm crazy. Sit.
come on.
Becca.
Let's go for a ride.
My feet.
Let's go for a ride. Come on. Thank you very much.
Come on, Nicole. Stop running. Stop. Stop.
Causing a disturbance and then running away is never a smart choice. The situation escalated as she continued to resist, struggle with officers, and interfere with the arrest process. Her actions only ensured that she would face more serious charges.
No, you! 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 I swear to God! I swear to God! I swear to God!
Nicole,
Stop! Stop! Stop!
roll over.
God, come forward. Don't fight. God! God!
Do you understand that when you're passing many cars?
It seemed like a routine traffic stop for suspected speeding quickly escalated into chaos. Instead of cooperating to resolve the matter with a citation, the situation spiraled due to yelling, insults, and defiance of lawful orders. In the end, the driver faced not only the original traffic violation, but also arrest for resisting law enforcement.
I will be able to explain it to you once I know my own story.
Okay, I understand. But I want to ask you a question. Is my license plate expired today? I have until tomorrow to get the license plate, right?
Are you still staying in on Albany?
She caused an accident but fled the scene and tried to portray herself as the victim. However, the law always uncovers the truth. She would have to pay the price for her actions.
It was literally nothing at all.
Guys, saying you to repeat, Adam. We are conducting our investigation. Okay?
The situation quickly escalated when the woman suspected of involvement repeatedly walked away, screamed, refused to stop when ordered, and obstructed traffic. A minor disagreement could have been resolved quickly, but a lack of cooperation and uncontrolled emotions easily turned it into serious legal trouble.
Lay on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back.
A man who reported his neighbor for harassment was quickly identified by officers as a wanted theft suspect. When informed that he was under arrest, he immediately panicked and fled. The confrontation rapidly escalated into a chaotic physical struggle, and the law does not tolerate resistance.
What are your injuries, sir? Your heart hurts? Okay. Well, even better, we have an ambulance for you. 1, 2, 3.
A routine traffic stop quickly escalated when the woman refused to return to her vehicle and repeatedly argued with officers. Despite multiple warnings and threats of a taser, she continued to refuse compliance. Her lack of cooperation and obstruction led to her arrest. A textbook example showing that arguing in the wrong situation only makes things worse.
I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. It was literally a traffic stop. All you have to do is sit in your car. That's it. I don't know why you ran from me.
You got the keys by chance? We'll just put it on top of the car.
Her lack of cooperation, physical resistance, and panic pushed the situation out of control, even though her original issue was only vehicle paperwork. A small violation can be resolved quickly, but resistance and losing composure are what truly escalate things.
Why are you putting your hands on me? Keep your hands off of me.
Okay, drop the purse.
Stop moving around!
Stop.
Stop. Get off of my Move.
You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you. Step out of the vehicle.
What seemed like a simple red light violation quickly turned into a tense roadside struggle. Instead of providing documentation, the woman repeatedly argued, refused lawful orders, and loudly accused officers of inappropriate touching. Despite multiple requests to cooperate, the situation escalated as she continued to resist, forcing officers to restrain and detain her on the spot. In just minutes, an ordinary traffic stop became a costly lesson in challenging lawful police command.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I literally have seizures.
Turn around and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me.
He literally didn't stop me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn. And then I came out and they tried to put his hands on me. As a woman.
Cooperating.
I'm cooperating and then he tried to put me to the ground.
Albuquerque police were called to conduct a welfare check on Mr. Valenti after his family lost contact with him for several days. The situation became serious when he attempted to flee into the house after officers discovered he had an outstanding arrest warrant. And resistance and confrontation with the law have only one outcome. That wraps up when people messed with the wrong cops. What do you think about these encounters? Were the outcomes justified, or could things have ended differently? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get off.